Good morning. We are, quickly. We are at '07 classwork about stock transaction fees. And the overarching theme of this section is how do you buy and sell stock? So we'll just go through and read this and highlight some of the key points. You don't buy stock at a store. So shares of stock can only be purchased through a licensed stockbroker. And if you decide to sell your shares, you don't bring them to school, you don't bring them to, your pal. You can't just walk into a stock exchange to sell your shares. So only stockbrokers can buy and sell stocks. Stockbrokers can also give advice to investors for their services. So stockbrokers charge a broker fee. The broker fee, it can be a flat fee, which doesn't depend on the value of the transaction, or it can be a commission, which does depend on the value of the transaction. And that commission is a percentage of the value of the stock trade that you just made. So some people make their own investment decisions. So they don't necessarily want to rely on the advice of a broker or a brokerage firm. They're going to read financial newspapers, they're going to go on websites, they're going to learn about new developments in the stock market, yada, 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 but they still must buy and sell through brokers. So they can use discount brokers, and a discount broker and an online brokerage house, they're going to charge lower fees, but they don't give investment advice. They only make the stock transactions for you. Discount brokers are available online, by phone, in person, and an online account is convenient because you can access it pretty much 24 hours a day. Full service broker, they're going to give investment advice. They're going to charge higher flat fees and commissions, and possibly a combination of both. So some customers of full service brokers have unlimited free trade accounts, but the brokers charge around 1 to 2% of the customer's total assets per year for this service. If you buy or sell at the market, so selling at the market, you're instructing your broker to get the best available price. You can also place a limit order, which specifies the price at which you want to buy or sell. If you put in a limit order to buy a stock only below a specific price, your broker will not make a purchase for any price higher than the price specified. The fees you pay brokers when you're buying or selling stock affect the amount you gain or lose on the trade. So your net proceeds represent the amount of money you make after the fees are subtracted. So you're going to have your gross proceeds or losses, and then you're going to have your net proceeds and losses. All right, so here we go with the classwork. Dion made 2 trades through his online discount broker. WeTrade charges a fee of $12 per trade. Dion's first purchase was for $3,456. His second purchase later in the day was for $2,000. So how much did he spend on the day's purchases, including the broker fees? Well, the 2 times 12, which is the $24 in fees, and the 3,456 plus the 2,000 is 5,456 for the 2 purchases. So we're looking at a total spend of $5,480. And Garrett Make two trade demands on an online brokerage house that charges $7 per trade. Garrett's first purchase was for $1,790. His second purchase was for $8,456. So how much did he spend, including brokerage fees? Well, there was $14 in fees. And he spent $10,246 new trade. So for Garrett, his total that he spent was $10,260. Piece of cake. And purchased $7,000 worth of stock in a single trade from a broker at Tensor Brokerage. The current value of Adriana's portfolio is $11,567. What broker fee must she pay? So you're going to see that they're going to have graduated or piecewise or whatever you want to call it, fee schedules at brokerage firms. So her portfolio is $11,567. So for portfolios with a value less than $250,000, an online trade is $15 per trade. An automated telephone trade is an online fee plus $9.50. And if you used a broker, your trades would be a 0.5% commission plus that online fee. So for Adriana, she spends .5%, so not 5%, 0.5% about that $7,000. So make sure you know that that's 0.005. So 0.005 times 7,000. Oh, sorry, plus the $15 is going to be $50. So her total fee is $15. And remember, it was plus the online fee, so the 0.5% commission and the online fee. Through Viking Brokerage, Erin purchased $23,510 worth of stock, and she paid her broker a 1% broker fee. When she sold the stock, it increased to $27,300, and she used a discount broker who charged $21 per trade. So we want to compute her net proceeds. So 1% of the $23,510 . So that's going to be $235.10. So that cost her, that's $235.10. So she spent on this trade, when she bought it, she spent $23,745.10. When she sold it, it was a flat fee. So it's that $27,300 that she sold it for minus the $21. So that's going to be $27,279. So the difference is going to be what her net proceeds are. So we're going to take the $27,279 minus what she paid, including that commission, $23,745.10. And her net proceeds are $3,500. $533.90. Here's another Yolanda. Yolanda purchased stuff for $7,000. She paid a 1.5 broker fee. So let's see how much she purchased it for. So 1.5% of the $7,000 is $105. So her purchase cost is the total, $7,105. And then she sold it. Ooh, looks like she had a loss here. She sold it for $6,325 and she paid a 0.5% broker fee. So 0.5% of the 6,325 is 31.63. So the sale proceeds equals 6293.37. Purchase cost, sale proceeds. Her net loss is $811.62. So let's make sure you note purchase cost, sale proceeds, net loss. Daryl is purchasing 700 shares of Buddy Industries through the Creative Brokerage House. Their fee schedule is shown in the table. Shares will cost him $32 each. How much will he pay in brokerage fees? So if he's buying 700 shares and he's paying $32 per share, he's grossing $22,400. So looking at the fee schedule, $22,400, that's going to be in this interval. So we want 3% of that, or 0.3% of 2,400. That's $67.20. But it's also a flat fee of $75. So $67.20 plus that $75 flat fee is $142.20 in broker fees. Much of the homework is going to look like this. If you have questions,